friends, you're going to do this page for math today. So this is page 291. You're going to see two squares. There's one on the front and one on the back. These are story problems. So remember, we are talking about story problems, and when we talk about story problems, we're using a story and we're thinking about the important parts of the story and what we're going to draw and then how we're going to write our equation. So we're going to use some animals in this one. So this is what I would like you to do. You're going to listen to Mrs. Hoffman give you the directions, and then I want you to stop for the first page. When I give you the directions for this first page, I want you to stop the video. I want you to think about the important parts, and then I want you to draw a picture, and then you're going to tell the answer. And then we'll do the same for the other side. So right here, you need your math paper and you need a pencil, and you don't need crayons today unless you would like to color the picture when you're finished. So this is a story that says on the top, there are 6 cows. So are we going to draw some cows or are we going to draw some circles? We're going to draw circles. There are 6 cows. So I like to circle the number because then I remember there are 6 cows. And then it says there are 3 sheep. Draw to show how many animals there are. So first there are 6 cows, then there are 3 sheep. You're going to draw your circle. For your circles for the first number, your circles for the second number, and then you're going to count how many animals there are all together, and you're going to write that number in that square. So we're not going to write an equation today. We're just thinking about the story and the important parts of the story. So let's remember 6 cows and 3 sheep. So go ahead and stop the video, and I want you to draw 6 cows, 3 sheep, and then count how many and put that number in the box where it says how many animals are there. You're going to write that number. Go ahead and stop the video and do your work. Now let's look at this side. It says there are 9 ducks. Then 6 ducks swim away. So this story is different. We start out with some animals and then some animals go away. So when we talk about this story, we're not going to say how many animals are there together. We're going to ask how many ducks are left. So it says there are 9 ducks. I like to circle my number to know that that's my important number. Then 6 ducks swim away. So I know I'm going to start out with this number, and then some of the ducks swim away. So I know that I'm not going to add more. I'm going to cross out. So there are 9 ducks. 6 ducks swim away. I'm going to cross out 6. And then I'm going to write how many ducks are left. When you are done with these, I want you to see if there's someone in your house that can help you. And why don't you make up some story problems with that person? And this time when you make up story problems with that person, I want you to write an equation. So you could do story problems where you have 2 groups of animals. You put them together to see how many. Or you could do a story problem where you have a group of animals and you're going to take some away from that group to see how many are left. So I want you to practice story problems today. You can use your whiteboards to practice the story problems. Okay? Have fun with math today.